Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Blood Strike movement tutorial. Learn how to move fast, dodge shots, and gain edge in battle. So here we're playing Blood Strike. So I'm gonna teach you some of my tips and tricks for you guys to get your easy win and all your movements you need to be do and strategies that you can do. So first of all, first starting game, I suggest if you're just a starter of the game, I suggest buying yourself some basic armor first. As you can see right there, basic armor. And if you're a bit good at the game, like you're aiming, focus on buying first the Desert Eagle. There you go. Now, what I want you to do is go to a line where the enemy cannot see you, but you can see them. So I always suggest going to the left side and use a long range weapon like this. There you go. Then find your angle. There you go. Then find a good angle right here. Let's say right here. You see right there, it's almost dead. Oh, there's two of them. So yeah, as you can see right there, that's how you do it. So I almost killed them, but there's a lot of them. But I think we're gonna win because three of them focus on me. So yeah, I think we're gonna win because all of my teammates they're damaged, so they're low. So I think we're gonna win this round. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you're just a bit new to the game, I suggest doing shields first. Oh, just doing shields first. There you go, nice skill. Oh, still winnable game. Okay, that's it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now, a few strategies I can give you guys. The movements. I usually move. Just keep moving like that. Like jump, jump, slide. Jump sliding is one of the best moves you can do here. The game. So I suggest doing a close range gun. Then jump slide, and just keep doing that. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh, sniper up top. Just gonna wait for them to come here. Okay, we're just gonna wait for them to come. Ah, there's one. See? See right there? Very useful weapon. Oopsie. As you can see right there, very useful slide and shot. Very useful fight. So yeah, I recommend you doing that. As you can see, the score is now 1-2. So the points of the game is can only reach until 4. If the enemy reach 4, they win. And if we reach 4, we win. So yeah, there you go, guys. So now, as you can see, oh, for my last tip for you guys, always try to flank. Flanking. So I suggest the easiest way to flank them is by just going to the. What I always do is go to the right. Right is always the best way to flank. Go far right and just keep going till you hit the flank. And if you're and another thing, if you're playing on big maps like this, I suggest using some snipers. So you see right now, I'm gonna use a sniper. Big maps use sniper and small maps use close range guns. Right, as you can see right here. There you go. There you go. After you shot, just keep moving. Don't pick at the same area twice because they might see you. Oh, one over there. There we go. Okay. Now wait for it. Oopsie. Ouchie. Healing. Somebody's gonna rush. It's already my turret right here. Oh my gosh. Ah! Got me. Okay, reloading. On 25. Oh, you got me. You got me again. Oh no. No, it just died. Yeah, but there you go. So that's about it. So now it's 0-3. So get ready to watch for an epic comeback. 0-3, and we're just gonna do an epic comeback right here for you guys. So it's 0-3. We're gonna do an epic comeback. So now we're gonna apply all of those what I teach you guys, and hopefully we might get an epic comeback. 'Cause they only need 1 point to win. So now I'm just gonna go full on sweat. Well, I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, there you go, guys. We lost the game, but we can't win all the games. But yeah, there you go. So you do it. Mostly just try to move on your slide and move left to right, and just jump. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and I hope we can win hope I can win the next game. So yeah, guys, thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.